Welcome to Step 2 Max. In this section, we are going to discuss about the nth term of an AP. Consider this sequence. This is in a arithmetic progression. 2 is the first term in the sequence, 4 is the second term, 6 is third term, 8 is fourth term, etc. So, we can write it as T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, etc. The first term in arithmetic progression is also represented using A. The first term in arithmetic progression. First term. And we already discussed that the common difference is represented using the letter D. Common difference. 2 is the first term. So, for this sequence, the first term A equal to 2. And here what will be the value of D, the common difference? D is also equal to, how we can find D? D is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, that is equal to 4 minus 2. T2 is 4, T1 is 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2, that is also 2. So, the value of D is 2. The first term in the sequence is T1. T1 first term is also represented using the letter A. And second term is T2. T2 is, the value of T2 is 4. That is A plus D. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, T2 we can write it as A plus D. Similarly, T3. T3 is equal to what? 6. 6 is 4 plus 2. 4 is what? T2. T2 plus T means D. So, we can represent T3 as T2 plus D. Similarly, T2 as T1 plus D. T3 is T2 plus D. What will be the value of T2? T2 is also A plus D. So, T2 is A plus D. So, T3 is A plus D plus D. A plus D plus D is A plus D plus D is 2D. T1 is A, first term in an AP, and T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D, then how we can represent T4? T4 is, here T4 is 8. T1, 2 is T1, 4 is T2, 6 is T3, 8 is T4. So, T4 is what? 6 plus 2. That is T3 plus 2 is D. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. And T3 is what? A plus 2D T3 then plus D. So, A plus 2D plus D is A plus 3D. T1 is A, T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D, T4 is A plus 3D. So, in general, we can write it as the nth term in an AP. The nth term in an AP is Tn. We can represent it as Tn. Nth term in an AP, Tn is equal to the first term A plus T4 is A plus 3D. That is 3 is 4 minus 1. So, Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is the nth term in an AP that we can represent it as A plus n minus 1 into D. A is first term, D is common difference, and nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of an AP is Tn. That is equal to the formula to find nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term of an AP and D is its common difference. Consider this problem. The given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Find the 24th term of this AP. Find 24th term of this AP. To solve this problem, we can use this formula. The nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. To use this formula, first we have to identify the value of A, n and D. Then only we can use this formula. What is the value of A? A is first term of the arithmetic progression. 12, 16, 20, 24. What is the first value? First term. A is T1, first term, that is 12. And n. Here we have to find the 24th term. So, the value of n is 24. Next is D. But how we can find the value of D? D is the common difference of this arithmetic progression. D is T2 minus T1. T2 is 16. T1 is 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Okay. Then T3 minus T2 is also 20 minus 16. That is also 4. So, the value of D is 4. Now, we know the value of A, N and D. The formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A, n and D. A is 12 plus n is 24. 24 n minus 1. 24 minus 1 into D is 4. Solve this equation. 24 plus 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 into 4, that is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4 is 92. 12 plus 92. 12 plus 92 is equal to what? 104. Tn is equal to 104. The 24th term of this arithmetic progression is 104. Using the formula Tn, we can find a particular term. nth term. That n may be 24, 100, 1000, whatever. And if we know the value of a, d and n, then we can find the nth term of the given arithmetic progression. Consider this question. The given arithmetic progression is 7, 13, 19, 25, etc. Find the 19th term of this AP. For that, first we identify the values of a, n and d. A is first term, that is 7, and then n is 19th term. So n is 19, d equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is 13, T1 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. A is 7, n is 19 and d is 6. Write the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a, n and d. A is 7 plus n is 19, 19 n minus 1, that is 19 minus 1 into d is 6. That is equal to 7 plus 19 minus 1, 18. 18 into 6. 7 plus 18 into 6. 108. 7 plus 108 is 150. For this given arithmetic progression, the 19th term is 115. Consider this question also. In this same as previous question. The given arithmetic progression is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, etc. Find 27th term. To apply this equation, first we have to find the value of a, n and d. A is first term of this arithmetic progression, that is 9. N is 27th term, so n is 27 and d is T2 minus T1. T2 is 4 minus T1 is 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5. Here the value of d is a negative number. Tn, the equation Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If we substitute the values, a is 9 plus n is 27. So n minus 1 is 27 minus 1 into d is minus 5. That is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 is 26. 26 into minus 5. 9 plus 26 into minus 5 is minus 130. So that is equal to 9 minus 130. 9 minus 130 is minus 121. For the given arithmetic progression, the value of d is minus 5. So terms are in decreasing order. So the 27th term is minus 121. Consider this question. 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. is the given arithmetic progression. Which term is number minus 151? In this question, the value of Tn is given. Let's consider this minus 151 is the nth term, Tn. And we have to find the value of n. For this problem also we can apply this same equation. First find out the value of a. A is first term of this AP, that is 11. A is 11. D. D is T2 minus T1, that is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. And Tn. Tn we can take as minus 151 and we have to find the value of n. This minus 151 is which term? The value of n. The equation is Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. Tn is minus 151. A is 11 plus n. That we have to find the value of n. So it is n minus 1 itself into d. D is minus 3. Simplify this equation. Minus 151 equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. That is minus 3 into n. Minus 3n. Minus 1 into minus 3 become plus 3. So we can write it as minus 151 is equal to 11 plus 3 is 14 minus 3n. Minus 151 equal to 14 plus 3n. Therefore, we can write this equation as 3n is equal to 14 plus 151. 14 plus 151 is equal to 165. 3n is equal to 165. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 165 upon 3. 165 upon 3 is 55. The value of n is equal to 55. That means the number minus 151 is the 55th term of this arithmetic progression. Using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we can find the nth term of an AP, and here the nth term, the number, one number is given, we have to find how many term is this number. For that problem also we apply the same equation and substitute the values whatever we know, then find the value of n. Here we discuss about the nth term of an AP. How we can find the nth term of an AP? For that we can use the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means nth term of an AP is first term of the AP plus n minus 1 into the common difference. Thank you.